It marks Steve Galvito's 40th year anniversary at Precise.
Look who's driving. Going to his daughter, right?
Hold it down.
Yeah.
Come on, see. Come in it.
Steve, you got anything you want to say?
Just it's been an adventure working for the Gizzy family for the last 40 years. Started off as an apprentice running a manual lathe and worked my way up, through the years. And it's for these young machinists, just to show you what we can do with a lot of hard work and dedication. Again, I came from a tool and die institute for an 18-month program, and then I started right here at Precise when I was 19. Ran manual lathes, went into the mill department, went into engineering, did some programming, and then became plant manager. And something for these young guys that are just starting off, for them to look forward to with a lot of hard work and dedication. You're with the right company, Precise Tool, and the right family, the Gizzy family. And there's been a lot of opportunities given to me, and there's a lot of opportunities for all these younger kids starting off today.
We were right on. Thank you.
Thank you very much.